Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is get into my Cardano ADA price prediction. So if you guys do agree with this, please comment down below. And ultimately, if you get something out of this, smash a like button, subscribe if you want to view more content like this. We're producing 5 videos a week. This week it's going to be more like 8 to 10 videos. I know the price is going up, so I want to do even more. So let's get right into the crypto market cap. And right now, in particular, if we take a look at Bitcoin, we're at a $57,000 Bitcoin. It's kind of been fluctuating. Today we are, what does that say? February 28th, 2024. So we're February 28th, 2024. You're probably watching this the next day, if not the day after. So Bitcoin's doing good. We've got, 50 to 54 days till the halving. It says 53 up here, but we don't know. It's an estimate of block rewards. So that's going to make the remaining supply be that much more scarce, right? So for those of you that don't know, the halving is when every 4 years, the amount of block rewards that get distributed to miners for mining blocks gets cut in half. So every year it's going to be like, from now on, it's going to be 6 Bitcoin to like 3 to 1.5 to 0.75, 0.35. You know, it's going to be exponentially scarce to get the remaining supply. So Bitcoin's going to go through the roof there. Okay, so let's get into the meat and potatoes. Now, when we do a little price prediction, we're gonna need a couple things. The Moose needs I guess I don't need a calculator, but what we do need is to understand the market and how it works. So typically Bitcoin goes up, ETH goes up, and then the rest of the alts will go up along with it. So in this case, we want $100,000 Bitcoin. This is what I'm basing this on. And I'm going to assume that we are, summer of 2024. So summer of this year, if not later. So not 2025, but 2024. Okay. So let's take a look. We've got Cardano at 62 cents, let's call it. Now, to do simple math, okay, if we're going to take a look at Cardano, if Bitcoin's at 100 grand, we could assume that the alts are pumping too. So let's call it height of the 2024 bull market. If we've got a 62 cent Cardano, and I think the market cap could go to $250 billion, so that would be just over a 10x from here. We could see a $6 to $7 ADA. That's what I believe. And the reason being is because there's so much more implemented now with Cardano. You got the power of midnight, right? You get the privacy. It wouldn't be a side chain, but you get the privacy token of a new protocol. That's going to be big. You also have smart contracts. You have USDM that's coming this month, so in March. Cardano is still fast. It's got a lot of uptime. For those of you that have been using it, you know what Cardano is capable of, at least going forward as well compared to other projects. I am liking Solana, so I have been doing a little more Solana content. That's because I actually like it. I think it's really fast and it's got the VC, vibes to it. So as an investor, I'm starting to like it a bit more. But I do like Cardano more as well. So even on the top right here, I don't know how legit this article is or this little headline, but Cardano wallet surge. Analyst says ADA won't be below $1 much longer. You're seeing stuff like that, right? And the main thing with Cardano, so Cardano, it's a proof of stake blockchain. So what you can do is when you own Cardano, you can sign a transaction without taking your ADA out of your wallet. So you can hold it in a non-custodial wallet. You can grab something like a Tangem ledger. You can hold your ADA and you just sign a transaction and you can stake to a pool and you earn a little bit of the new supply. These are known as every epoch, every 5 days, you're going to earn a little bit of passive income. So by owning the token, you get the opportunity to be rewarded with some of the new supply. So you guys can learn to run a node too. We don't cover that on the channel, but there's a lot happening with Cardano. And when things become more interoperable, that's where people are really going to see the magic of ADA. Because it is fast, it's cheap. Compared to Ethereum, it's way above and beyond. So that's kind of what Solana's done. Solana kind of just ripped in there and made it fast and pretty trendy. So Solana, you got to give it credit where credit's due. So that's all I'm saying. Not saying that it's perfect, but we're doing good here. Like on the year, we're up 70%, but we had that massive drop from last time. So the thing is, in my mind, is once people really begin to understand the power of Bitcoin, in that it's the only real money we've ever had in human history, something that's decentralized, anybody in the world can participate. You don't have remittance fees, right? There's no intermediaries that get in the way, right? So that's going to be a very powerful thing that the world acknowledges in the upcoming years, in my opinion. So you guys can comment down below if you agree with that or not. But I do want to talk about Bitcoin because it plays such a big role with what we will see with ADA. Until Bitcoin really pumps, the rest of the market won't pump. Typically, it's how it works, right? So Bitcoin, it's nearing the latest top. You know, if we get to 66,000 and start to go past USD, this is going to be massive, right? You're going to see Cardano just zoom here. So even if we take a look at ADA, what, 60 cents? That's not bad, not bad. So we got ADA at 61. And again, the market cap is 21 billion. Okay, let's call it 22 billion. A 10x, 11x would get us to that $250 million. You know, I think $250 trillion, it would be a lot. I can see it. I can see it happen pretty swiftly. $3 by, you know, $3 when Bitcoin's like just starting to go past the 70K mark, and then once it hits 100,000, ladies and gentlemen, you better be holding your bag. So that's what I think. Nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. These are just some fun predictions. So if you guys want, go to the channel, go to Crypto Moose. I have tons of content. I show you how to pick up ADA, you know, how to, you know, check out different wallets, and I review things. Basically, I'm building a library for you to learn everything about crypto. So when you're watching this, there's also the Knights Guild charity mint sale. So check out that link. You can pick up a Loose Moose NFT. That's on the Cardano blockchain. You can also pick up a hardware wallet. So save up to 25% off a Trezor. Save $10, so 20% on your Tangem. So this is a cool wallet. Use code Moose. And then we also have online courses. So take a free Cardano mini course, take the Masterclass, and follow me on socials. This link tree is blooming. This is a big tree. So with that being said, comment down below. What is your Cardano price prediction for the height of 2024 this year? We'll see you in the next one.